Companies such as Lime and Bird are doing an outstanding job of encouraging millennials to consider leaving a smaller carbon footprint through the use of emissionless scooters and bikes. While no one will argue that a reduced carbon footprint is a good thing, the legal and logistical ramifications of such startups are often overshadowed by the hype that accompanies them. Cluttering of scooters and bikes on sidewalks and the potential for an increase in injuries as a result of careless scootering are only two of the major unsolved issues that must be weighed against the accessibility and environmental sustainability of these scooters. The companies, as well as the citizens who are utilizing these systems, are responsible for mitigating the clutter of scooters and bikes. A possible solution is for Dockless transportation companies to publish an app in which they can set up geozones for riders to safely leave the scooters when they're finished with them. This would not only be beneficial to residents who are tired of seeing piles of scooters, it will also allow the cities to have some degree of regulation over them. There can be agreed upon zones in which the city can charge the companies a fee for using and can be granted more drop-off zones throughout the city if they remain compliant with rules regarding where they can leave the scooters. Another concern for local governments is careless scootering. The onus falls on the scooter companies to ensure riders are educated on how to safely use their services. By integrating a short training course into the app, videos and quizzes can be used to ensure that riders are aware of where they can ride, how they should ride, and what actions are safe for riding. While educating riders on how to safely use the scooter and bike service falls on the companies, the safe operation of the scooters themselves falls on the riders. By finishing the training course on the app, riders will be made aware of what actions are appropriate and safe while using the scooters. As long as riders adhere to the safe practices taught to them through the training course, it is likely they will not be injured. Should a rider decide to not follow the safety guidelines, the city nor the Dockless rideshare companies should be liable to cover any damages that result from the careless use of the system.